Hello, tired of manually clearing out temporary junk files on Windows 11? You can make Windows clean up system clutter automatically using Storage Sense. Here is how to set it up. First, open your Start menu, click on the Settings gear icon and select Storage from the System menu category. Look under the Storage Management section row for Storage Sense. Toggle the switch to On to enable the automatic cleaning engine. To configure how often it cleans your PC, click directly on the Storage Sense row. Check the box under Cleanup of Temporary Files, then set the Schedule drop-down under Run Storage Sense to every week or every month. You can also set automatic deletion rules for your recycle bin and downloads folders. Close the window and Windows will now silently clear out background temporary junk automatically. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.